Hi friends, welcome to Rinku's Rasoi. I am making French bean curry and which is also known as Fansinu shak or green bean curry. So let's start making our curry. To make the French beans curry, let's cut our vegetables first. To cut the French beans, remove the top and bottom part first. I am taking these two parts. Now take little bit in a bunch, just make a bunch like this and make small cuts. If you like the long cut, you can also cut in lengthwise, but I like the small cuts. See, I like to make my beans is like this size, but you can make like little bit long, like this, or you can be like little bit fancier and you can just cross cut like this. So it's upon you, you can play with your food as you like it. So beans are nicely cut. Now let's start preparing our sabji. I am adding 2 tablespoons of olive oil. You can use any oil of your choice. Now when the oil gets a little bit hot, add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, add 1/4 teaspoon of hing or Asafoetida. Then I am adding 1 teaspoon of garlic. Garlic is option. If you don't like it, you can avoid in this recipe. Then I am adding 1 teaspoon of ginger paste and mix everything together nicely. Now add 1/4 cup of peanuts, half teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1/4 cup of water. Now I am adding little bit salt. Then add half teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of cumin and coriander powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala, and mix everything together nicely. Now add the green beans and mix it. Now I am adding 1 glass of water, and again I will add all the masalas, 1/4 teaspoon of red chili, turmeric and coriander and cumin powder, and the garam masala I will add a little bit pinch of it, otherwise it will get too spicy. Then little bit of salt and mix everything together very nicely. Put the flame on a medium temperature. At this point I am adding 2 teaspoons of coconut powder. It's a dry coconut powder. This coconut powder will enhance the taste of your curry and it will give you a nice thickness to your curry. Now close the lid. I don't have any king or any whistle on it. I'm just closing loosely like this and let it cook for at least 5 to 10 minutes. It's been 5 minutes. Let's check out. As you can see, because of coconut, it starts to get thickened a little bit. And it's almost cooked. It's a little bit time is left. So at this point, I am adding 3 teaspoons of sugar. The reason to add sugar at this point is sugar will stop the cooking process, and that's the reason we always add sugar at the later part when it's like half cooked. Now I'm going to close the lid again and let it cook for another 3 minutes. It's been 3 minutes now. Let's check. Wow, it smells so nice. Yeah, our green beans is ready. Let's take in a bowl. So our green bean curry is ready. Now you can serve with rice or roti. So make this green bean curry at your home today. I'll see you with the next recipe. Till then, happy cooking.